Hey there! Today we have a fun problem. We need to find the square root of a complex number, -7 minus 24i. Don't worry, we'll go nice and slow, one baby step at a time. Let's say our answer is a+bi, where a and b are real numbers we need to find. This is like saying, I don't know the answer yet, so let me call it a+bi. Now, if a+bi is the square root, then when we times it by itself, we should get back -7 minus 24i. So let's square both sides. Let's open up the bracket on the left side. We use the formula, first thing squared, plus 2 times first times second, plus second thing squared. That gives us a squared plus 2abi plus b squared times I squared. Here's a super important thing to remember. I squared is always -1. So b squared times I squared just becomes minus b squared. That cleans things up nicely. Now let's put the real parts together and the imaginary parts together on the left side. The real part is a squared minus b squared, and the imaginary part is 2ab times I. For two complex numbers to be equal, their real parts must match and their imaginary parts must match. So the real part on the left, a squared minus b squared, equals -7. Let's call this equation 1. And the imaginary part on the left, 2ab, equals -24. This is our equation 2. Now we have two equations with two unknowns. Let's make equation 2 simpler. We split 2ab equals -24 into equal parts by 2, so a times b equals -12. That means b equals -12 over a. Now let's put this value of b into equation 1. Everywhere we see b, we write -12 over a instead. This way we only have one letter to find. -12 over a, all squared, gives us 144 over a squared. So now we have a squared minus 144 over a squared equals -7. Fractions can be tricky, so let's get rid of them. We times every part by a squared. That gives us a to the power 4 minus 144 equals -7 times a squared. Let's move everything to one side. We get a to the power 4 plus 7 a squared minus 144 equals 0. Now here's a clever trick. Let's say t equals a squared, so this becomes a simpler equation. With t equals a squared, our equation looks like t squared plus 7t minus 144 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we can factor it. We need two numbers that times together give -144 and add up to 7. Those numbers are +16 and -9. So we write t plus 16 times t minus 9 equals 0. So t equals -16 or t equals 9. But remember, t is a squared, and when you square a real number you can never get a minus answer. So we throw away -16 and keep t equals 9. Since a squared equals 9, that means it is +3 or -3. Both work because 3 times 3 is 9, and -3 times -3 is also 9. Now let's find b using our formula b equals -12 over a. When a is 3, b is -12 over 3, which is -4. When a is -3, b is -12 over -3, which is +4. So our two answers are 3 minus 4i and -3 plus 4i. Notice they are just the plus and minus versions of each other, just like how the square root of 9 is plus or -3. And we're done. The square root of -7 minus 24i is plus or minus 3 minus 4i. You did an amazing job sticking with this one, great work.